Okay, boys and girls, so what would I like you to do today? Well, your activity is to research the 6 different types of animal groupings, but I would like you to work harder on one. I would like you to choose one of the animal groups and research all about the features of that group. You can use an animal from the group as an example for your work. Okay, here I've got some very important questions, hints that will guide you in your research. Okay, do or does your animal have fur, feathers, or skin? Do they lay eggs or have babies in their tummy? Where do they live? Do they live in water or land, or do they live in both? What do they eat? Do they have cold blood or is it warm? I'd really like you to think about these things. These are all things that we've studied last year, and I'd like you to choose an animal and to really give me a good amount of information about that animal and the features of that group that that animal has. Okay, the next slide, let's see. So I've made a little example for you. Here's my example. I love snakes, so my animal is a cobra. A cobra is a reptile. Reptiles are cold-blooded. They lay eggs and their babies hatch from the eggs. They are vertebrate animals, okay? They live in many different habitats, but they like warm weather, especially deserts. But there are some reptiles that live in the sea, such as sea snakes. Reptiles slide on the ground and have no legs. They usually pull their belly along. They have skin made up of scales, and they are carnivorous and herbivores. Do you know what that means? Do you remember? If they have carnivores, they like to eat meat, and herbivores, they like to eat plants, greens, and vegetables. Okie dokie. Now, how are you going to show me that you've done the work? Okay, so how are you going to present your work? And this is going to go for not just science, but in English or in maths. Okay, what you can do is you can make a video of a presentation and send it to me on my email address. You can make a poster and take a picture of it. You can do a craft and take a picture of it. But with a craft, you're going to have to do a little bit of writing to show me the features. Or you can write about your animal group and animal on the computer and you can send it to me. Okay, please send it to me, Miss Faye, by the end of the week. You can send it to me on Class Dojo or to my email address. And please remember to show me a 3, a 3, a 2, or a 1, depending on how well you understood. If you understood really, really well, please give me a 3. If you didn't really understand that well, a 2. And if you really struggled to understand the idea, give me a 1. Remember, boys and girls, this is your work. I know you need help from your mommy and daddy at times, but I really need to see some independent work from you guys, okay? It's not mommy and daddy's work, it's your work, okay? And I know you can do it because you've done it for me when we were in school. Let me see. So, of course, I have added lots of different resources for you to use. First of all, if you have any questions, you can contact me in Class Dojo or on my email address. And I have added lots of links to videos that can help you, some hints for looking up some information. You can use Epic, you can use YouTube. So this is very useful, and all of these things will help you in your research. Last one, if you need more information, this is for students and for parents, you can go to YouTube, type in reptiles for kids or amphibians for kids or anything like that, insects for kids, and it will come up with really nice videos that they can watch to help them learn. Also go to Epic and search the group of animals you want to read about. For example, you can search insects and lots of books about insects will come up. Some of them are read aloud books, some of the books you have to read yourself, but you'll find lots of interesting and exciting books and videos to help you do your research. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.